So friends, let us take one badge. Here we can add upload our image or choose from collection. So we can choose or we can upload. This is the badge icon and the title is welcome everyone. In this video we will see one of the best feature available in the TagMango, that is gamification. It is totally about the point system or rewarding our customers and assigning some new badges to motivate them. In leaderboard, they are going to see their position, who is in top and where they are. Let us see live member who have access to gamification. Just click on this gamification. Here we have points. We can assign our points based upon your criteria. You can also add some of the badges. So friends, let us take one badge. Here we can add upload our image or choose from collection. So we can choose or we can upload. This is the badge icon and the title is contributor who do charity. Automatically it will assign to them and I will do some enable automation. Let us assume if they achieve 1,000 points, they are going to get contribution. Who will get the 1,000 points? They are getting the contributed tag. Or you can assign different membership. Let us assume all diamond members are contributors because they are following your instructions. Like this, you can do some settings. So these are the badges which will automatically assign to students. In the leaderboard, we can also manage the badges, upload selected list, or upload from the CSV, or manage with the points. Each and everything we can control here. Moreover, we can also enable or disable for existing courses or membership that you can do. So friends, let us see live example. In the dashboard, you see the points, all-time points, monthly points, weekly points you are going to get. In the profile, if you see, we are getting the score. And moreover, we have different badges, finisher, starter, explorer, rising star, contributor. So different badges automatically assigned to the students. It shows some motivation and encouragement in your platform. So friends, it is available in the plans like yearly plans starting from advanced and ultimate. Thank you so much friends watching the video. See you in the next video.